Here's the real number 4. Zoom on in here. Number 4. Instructions are to factor. And first step of any factoring problem is GCF. And you look at something that has all even numbers. 2 is a GCF that we can work with. So with the GCF, we kick it out or factor it out by putting the 2 on the outside. Think about what we have left. I still have b squared. I've taken a 2 out, so now I just have b. 112 divided by 2 is 56. So now my job is to really focus on seeing if I could break down or factor this. It's 3 terms, so I'll use the product sum method where I'm trying to think of numbers that multiply to negative 56 and have to add up to 1. I'll let you think of them. Hopefully you're getting 8 and 7. One of them's got to be negative. Looks like the 7 has to be negative. Since what I'm working with, technically, I'm just working on what's inside the parentheses, so I don't have a number in front of the b squared. I can go straight to my answer of b plus 8 and b minus 7. But I got to remember to bring down the 2 of the GCF. So that's what it looks like, completely broken down for number 4. Number 6. Checking for GCF first. 3, 19, 14. No, I'm not going to have a GCF there. So we are definitely going the long way here, which is fine. The number up top here is always a times c. 3 times minus 14. Negative 42. And 19. So the goal for this product sum type deal is to think of numbers that multiply to negative 42 and add up to 19. When in doubt, just start listing factors of 42. 1 and 42, no chance. 2 goes into 42 21 times. That's probably the combo that I want. But one of them has to be negative. And it's got to be the 2. So what I do now is keep the 3y squared. I keep the minus 14. But I am changing this 19y so that it is now negative 2y and plus 21y. I include the y's on it so it matches with 19y. I've just used my magic numbers now, right there. Now I have 4 terms. It's a grouping problem now. I group the left side and the right side. On the left side, and I'm looking for a greatest common factor. 3 and 2, nothing there. They both have a y in common, so I'm kicking out the GCF of y. If I take out a y, it means I still have 3y. And the second term, if I kick out a y, I still have minus 2. Over to the right side, GCF of 21y and 14 would be a 7. Make it positive 7 because the third term's positive. If I'm doing it right, it should match this parenthesis. 3y minus 2. Yep, that makes sense for this one. As a final answer, 3y minus 2, your common parenthesis, and y plus 7 is your other parenthesis. You could FOIL it and check it. 3y squared, 21y, minus 2y, yep, 19y, and minus 14. Good to go.